Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm glad you are watching this video today. Today I'll show you how to make this beautiful mirror wall hanging with very simple requirements. First, we'll need plastic ropes. Another requirement is the round mirrors. You can get them locally. And then we also need some round cardboard in 3 different sizes. We also need some 3 cardboard the size of our mirrors. Another important requirement in this project is the glue gun and glue stick. Watch this video to the end, and if you like such content, kindly remember to subscribe. In this channel we do makeover, DIY and some cooking. Thank you for watching this video. See how lovely it has turned? Who said we have to spend lots of money to make simple decors for our houses and our homes? You can also do this. It's so simple and the materials are locally available. If you are still watching to this part, kindly remember to subscribe. Give us a comment in the comment section and give us a thumbs up. Thank you. lovely. Who knew just a cardboard and plastic rope can make such wonderful wall decors? You can also make this according to the color of your choice, according maybe to the color scheme of your preference. It's so simple and so affordable. And you also get to repurpose the cardboard boxes that you'd have rather thrown away and littered the environment with. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe, leave us a comment in the comment section, and also remember to give us a thumbs up. It helps to grow our channel. Thank you, and thank you for subscribing.